Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to block someone on Threads. Instagram's Threads is a text-based conversation app that launched on July 5, 2023. At first glance, the Threads experience is a lot like Twitter. Both platforms offer a feed of text-based posts that allow users to follow what's going on in the world and start their own conversations. However, if you don't want to connect with someone on Threads, or for any reason you want to block them, don't worry, in this video, I'll be showing an easy step to do so. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open the Threads app. Now open the profile of the person you want to block. In my case, for example, I want to block this person. In the top right corner you can see a three-dot option, click on it. As you can see in the red color, there is an option of block, click on it, and then click on block again. Congratulations, you have successfully blocked this person. This person blocked can no longer see your threads. So, these were some simple steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.